let's talk about something a little more pressing at this moment. That's because we're bracing for some snow and potentially a lot of it, Anthony.
Yeah, we're tracking the latest when it comes to the totals, but mainly it's about the impacts going into your Friday morning, Friday afternoon, Saturday morning, and possibly even into Saturday night into Sunday morning for parts of the area. So we've been trying to fine tune these forecasts. It's already unfolding. We're just tracking when it's going to be arriving here, and also the phases we're going to be tracking this. So we're kind of been splicing this up into three phases. The more impactful snow is going to be arriving here for Friday morning. Then throughout the afternoon and evening, it's going to turn into more of a lake enhanced, then more lake effect as we get closer to the first part of your weekend. So we're tracking two parts of this storm system. It's kind of fractured between the southeast and also the central plains. But these two pieces of energy, that's going to be congealing together and pretty much sitting on top of the Buckeye State, giving us that widespread threat of snow going throughout the first part of your Friday morning. Here it is. This is Friday morning. We're going to be in the thick of it. Widespread snow is possible throughout midnight right into noon for your Friday. Then for the second half of your Friday afternoon and evening, then we're talking about bands of heavier snow. This is when the snow is really going to be stacking up, but it's not going to be as widespread for lake enhanced snow showers throughout Friday afternoon and evening. Then Saturday morning, we're talking about more fragmented of chances of lake effect snow throughout the day for your Saturday. So a lot of chances of picking up snow throughout the next 48, maybe even 72 hours. The main thing is going to be the snow potential throughout Northeast Ohio. For tonight, for this evening, we had a little bit of snow, but it's going to be tapering off. We're mainly tracking mostly cloudy conditions. Then the snow chances really ramp up as we head beyond midnight tonight. So let's time things out here. The latest from the National Weather Service, winter storm warnings. In pink, that is where we anticipate at least 5 inches of snow. We have advisory areas pretty much for locations south of I-76. That is where we anticipate lighter amounts of snow, general 3 to 5 inches of snow the further south you are because of those heavier bands of snow that's going to be stacking up throughout the second and third phase of this storm system. Here it is, taking things hourly for your National Design Mark forecast. This is 6 o'clock. Around daybreak tomorrow, again, we anticipate those widespread impacts on the roadways. Get prepared for a slick go of it for your Friday morning commute. Midday Friday, we're looking at more lake-enhanced snow showers with that north breeze flowing in. So we're looking at darker blue showing up. Snowfall rates could approach maybe an inch and a half per hour. Then more lake enhanced for Friday around this time throughout the evening and overnight. Then Friday night, the widespread snow is over and done with. More lake effect as we get closer to Saturday morning. This is Saturday afternoon. This is going to be a long-winded event for us when it comes to those snow chances. More lake effect with that northwest wind. And then as we get closer around dinner time for Saturday into early Sunday morning, the snow finally begins to shut off by Sunday afternoon. Now, how much snow we're talking about by Friday morning for your Friday morning drive? We could see upwards to maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow. That's going to be mainly impactful with that widespread chance of snow that's going to be rolling in for Friday morning. Then with the lake enhanced rolling in by Friday into the afternoon and evening, upwards to, we're going to be adding on maybe to 1 to 2 inches of snow. Then we're going to closely watch that lake effect snow chance because we could see upwards to maybe 5 to 7 inches of snow, especially for communities in the primary snow belt area by Sunday afternoon. So the bottom line here, folks, Friday morning, especially west of the Cuyahoga River, we're looking at those communities picking up the heavier bands of snow. Then as we get closer to the afternoon and evening, throughout the second half of your Friday morning, right into the early afternoon, we're talking about lake-enhanced snow showers filling in, then more lake effect throughout Friday, right into Saturday and Sunday. So here's your Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. Friday is going to be snowy all day with potentially 5 to 8, maybe even higher than that snowfall amounts for Friday, right into Saturday evening. Then wrapping up by Sunday. Some of us could see a little bit more clearing by Sunday afternoon. Temperatures slowly moderating to the mid-30s by Monday. That's seasonal. Then by Tuesday, Wednesday, we're tracking rain showers with temperatures eventually approaching the mid-40s. But the next 24 to 36 hours, it's going to be tricky. Go for it when it comes to those impacts. Slick commute for Friday morning, Friday evening, and also into your Saturday. So take it slow out there. Just keep things indoors. You know, it's the weekend.
Yeah, that sounds good. Maybe some time on the couch with a good book.
Yes.
That's ideal for
Play a
weather
football?
like this.
Yeah.
Anthony, thank you.